Here we have a MacBook Pro. I believe this is the mid 2012 13-inch. It came in for wide display. If you turn the laptop on, it's gonna chime, turn on, fan spins, but wide display. We tried another screen just to verify, and the problem is not the screen. It's something to do with the motherboard. Let me turn it off, and we're gonna disconnect the battery. I believe this is the A23115 board. I disconnected the battery, and we still have the motherboard connected to the laptop. I want to take a look at the LVDS connector area and see if there's anything obvious there. Disconnect the LVDS cable, and let's take a look. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It looks like we have some corrosion here. And usually I'm interested in looking at those components here and if they are making a connection with the LVDS connector. Right now the component in question is this capacitor. I want to measure to see if we have a short here because it does not look good. And capacitors can short out. If they short out, then they're gonna pull the voltage down to ground. The LCD connector does not get voltage, you're gonna get white screen. Separate from the backlight circuit. Meter in diode mode, and look at that. We do have a short. This cap should not be shorting from both sides, so we know that we have a shorted capacitor. That may very well be our problem. Let me grab a donor board and measure the capacitor on this donor board just to verify. Assuming the capacitor here is good. Meter in diode mode, and you see we have a 0.6 voltage drop. So we're gonna replace the bad capacitor with this one, and we should be good to go. Easy fix, right? That's how all laptops are like in this shop. Look at it, find the problem, replace the component, next. Let me turn on hot tweezers, and we're gonna remove this capacitor using our hot tweezers. And this cap is out. Let's prep the pads. And let's go back to our donor. We're gonna put that cap back on the customer's board. Get rid of the glare, and let's do it. And the job is done. Let me just quickly clean up in this area. All right, and let's see. Was that an easy fix? Like always. Battery connected. LVDS, before we connect the battery, let me connect the LVDS connector. Laptop is powering on, and are we gonna see an image? I think I may not have connected the LVDS connector properly. I do not see anything. turn off. Let me check on the LVDS connector. Yeah, it's not connected. It's not connected properly. And right there. Apple logo. So we do have an image now, and the problem is fixed. That's it. We're gonna invoice and mail this back to the customer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video. That was a short one.